Employee self-service. Employee self-service, ESS, provides employees access to their personal records and details. ESS features include allowing employees to change their contact details, banking information, and benefits. ESS also allows for administrative tasks such as applying for leave, seeing absence history, reviewing timesheets and tasks, inquiring about available loan programs, requesting overtime payment, viewing compensation history, and submitting reimbursement slips. With the emergence of ESS, employees are able to transact with their human resources office remotely. Human Resources Information Systems and ESS. Human Resources Information Systems, HRIS, have brought ESS functionality to a wide range of organizations, from small to medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, to large enterprises such as colleges and universities. With ESS features, employees can take more responsibility for their jobs and development. In this vein, human resources information systems are becoming more and more popular for tasks such as career planning, skill profiles, training and learning, objective setting, appraisals and reporting/analytics. Remote/flexible working and ESS. In organizations where employees are highly mobile or not collocated with their manager, RIS can allow for cost and time savings, as they are highly accessible and useful for businesses with remote workers and/or flexible working options in place. ESS international providers.